Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good and welcome to today's video. And do you know why exactly the Redis is super fast? Have you ever thought about it? No, right? Yeah, I also don't know about why exactly the Redis is super fast, but I have checked on internet and I identified few points like how exactly this is being a super fast and serving the cache content and all those things. So I have aggregated basically 10 points on this particular topic, and we can just get into the video and identify like what are all those points. Okay, in-memory data storage. Redis is everyone knows it's an in-memory data storage. Redis stores data in memory while allow it to read and write data very quickly, since it does not need to access the disk for every read and write operation. Redis can achieve a very low latency as well. So basically, it's an in-memory database. Actually, it serves the data in the RAM, and on top of that, it doesn't read and write the data from the disk. It will write everything from the memory. Okay, it has an asynchronous IO. So Redis uses a single threaded event loop to handle all IO operation, input and output operations. So this approach allows Redis to avoid overhead of thread context switching and other synchronization overhead as well. So instead, it uses a non-blocking IO model to handle multiple connections and efficiency. Okay, let's talk about something on the data structure for this Redis. So Redis supports a range of data structures, including strings, hashes, list, sets, shorted sets, and all those things. So these data structure are optimized for efficiency, the memory use, and fast access time. For example, Redis hash data structure uses a compact representation that allows very fast lookups and updates. Okay, minimal overhead. So Redis is designed to have a very low overhead. It uses the compact binary protocol that minimizes the amount of data sent over the network. So additionally, Redis avoid unnecessary operations using efficient algorithms to minimize the CPU usage. Persistence options. So Redis offer several persistent options, including snapshot, append only of file, AOF. These persistence options are designed to minimize the impact of the performance while ensuring the data is not lost in case of system is failure. So basically, it will sync the data from the RAM to the disk. Okay, basing a snapshot or append on file or whatever it may be. So Lua scripting. So Redis supports Lua scripting, which allows developers to perform complex operations on the server side by executing scripts on the server. Redis avoids the overheads of transmitting a large amount of data over the internet. Okay, so it's a cluster supported one as well. So Redis offer built-in support for clustering, which allows multiple Redis instances to work together as a single logical database. So this approach allows Redis to scale horizontally and handle very large data sets while maintaining a high performance. Pipelining. So Redis supports pipelining, which allows clients to send multiple commands to the server. So at the once, so this approach reduces the latency of each individual commands and allows Redis to handle a large number of concurrent clients. Transactions. So Redis supports transactions, which allows developers to have several commands into a single transactions. So this approach is ensure that the group of commands executed atomically, which can improve the performance and the consistency. Okay, we are coming at the last one now. So this is all about easy to use API. So Redis provides an easy to use API that is simple to learn and use. So this approach allows developers quickly and easily integrate Redis to their application without needing to spend a lot of time. So a lot of time on learning on the complex API. So API is very simple, so it's completely exposed, so you can adapt and ensure that you can use it properly. So this is all about the Redis, like how exactly this is very fast. I hope you might have enjoyed this particular lecture. We'll see you on another good lecture. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Keep learning.